The Dido HomeWo Wi-Fi LITE Starter Kit is a highly compelling choice. At just 980 pesos, the starter kit is one of the most affordable wireless broadband entry points on the market. When you unbox a Dido Home Wi-Fi, including the LITE, you will find everything you need to get connected immediately without needing any extra tools or technical help. Here is exactly what is inside the box. The home Wi-Fi modem/router unit, the core device itself. Depending on the kit you buy, this will be a 4G LTE or a 5G CPE desktop router, usually enclosed in a sleek white polycarbonate shell. Home SIM card, a dedicated SIM card that holds your introductory data package. In many newer packages, this SIM card is already pre-inserted into the modem SIM slot for your convenience. The 70 GB open access data for the LITE kit. Power adapter, the wall-to-device power supply unit to keep your modem running. Ethernet cable, LAN cable. A standard RJ45 cable, usually around 1 meter long. This allows you to physically plug a desktop computer, laptop, gaming console, or smart TV directly into the back of the router for a more stable, lag-free connection. Documentation pack, quick start guide. Easy, step-by-step visual instructions on how to power up the device and activate your SIM.